Okay, I've put another coat or 2 or 3 on the inside using regular mortar, strong mortar mix, 3 cement to 1 sand, and then a white cement, 2 coats on that. Kind of give it a white look. I have some sealer I'm going to put on it. You can see around the bottom I use my sponge and filled that in real good. I'll take and when it's all done in a white cement and water mixture and brush the whole thing on the inside and then seal it. The outside I've put one scratch coat on the mesh I had. There's one of the drains right there. As you can see, it's about an inch and a quarter thick all the way around. Pretty strong. Here's my hot water heater setup. It's going to be right here. 1-inch lines. There's the in and the out. The filter's going over here. It's a used jacuzzi filter I picked up, and I got a pump I'm going to put onto it. The 2-inch lines. I haven't decided where to put the lines, so I'll drill them in later and silicone them in, probably right here in this area. Anyway, the deck will come up next after I seal everything, and I'll pour this floor here for my hot water heaters. I'm going to put 2 in here. One's going to be a 100-gallon gas hot water heater and a 40-gallon gas hot water heater converted to wood. I've made other video about that, how I converted them to heat with wood, and I'll give you a quick look over here. Here's my 100-gallon I have set up in here. There's the bottom part. You can see where the wood goes. Yeah, just goes in there. You can build a little kindling fire and it heats up quite nicely. Takes about an hour to get the water from lukewarm to hot. Here's the back of it. It's a pretty big sized water heater. There's the chimney. This was just a temporary setup to see if it works very good. I've never used it like that. It works great. So let's go over here in the building. Here's my solar hot water heater for the days where I don't have to heat up with wood and there's enough sun to heat the water up. Comes out of the bottom right here. You can feel the lines cold. Comes out of the top here. It's getting pretty warm. Already it's only 10 o'clock in the morning. Here's the valve to let it into the hot water heater. Here's a test valve to see how the temperature of the water, since I don't have a heater hooked up, or a temperature hooked up. The relief valve's on the other side for those who are safety cautious. It works just fine. I've already tested it several times. There's where the hot water drained out, where I got it too hot. Burned the grass. I know about how much wood to put in it now after a few times. Anyway, that's it for now. I'll put more video on this single video I have of the pool after I get more things set up.